Presiding judge out now Abronye assemble so Judge Samuel Bright Aqua no can say force him to play Nancy or say or retire after say Abronye assembly or come make judgment now the judgment okay no and make sense to a new casino no judges any lawyer for and then I'm so I'm no can say lawyer judge Samuel Bright Aqua say or retire abroad the time we retire no crown in yansu nebusia say any 7 church we show video ni we are.
The cow said Ghana Bar Association may choba for and any drinking bar for Ghana Bar Association a Ghana lawyer for cool. Na omodia tuja say omunshie mu omokoye na attorney general ekokasa wase na Ghana Bar Association for president say judge na okodi Abronye asem no wanya de wa blasting no papa say judge na niema wo trode ba say nunti na wa ma Abronye bill no wanya de say ni jumadi adi na anso ani anope de yete ne say judge na wa ma Abronye bill no or resign every ni jumadim anope eno aye de yate aye de honsem mamo report say judge ye friend Samuel Bright Aqua and the 16th of September you will finish jumadi so cry or retire nanko ko high court de tete ye no ye nim de say criticisms abana na ma aye papa no ana say ni jumadi wodi to ho eno ye be de achi kakra de amamo Ghana Bar Association jumadi na se no attorney general kokasa Ora aye Dominic Ayine o se Ghana Bar Association no omo ye nyaatwumkuo ekuo ni ye nyaatwum asesi ewo NDC time omo nkasa omo ti ho na article 46 ya yedi Charlotte Osei edi free so o se assembly si wo MPP time dia na omo mi oma no esi wo NDC ana ye omo ti ho na Charlotte Osei ade a yedi yi eye chief justice free ho na anu sa kwa no pepepepe no omo fa so a omo di yi no omo anum to and was say enkrofo na just 4 legs good 2 legs bad ade no say esi wo MPP time dia say ye nyina no kama omo de omo ya ade NDC de ya na mo akasa no masori agina mo ye nyaatwum we ne nsema attorney general de atoja attorney general sensem de bedin komo wo ho anopay Ghana Bar Association o say mo apai say ta NDC lawyer for ni MPP lawyer for o man na ebe ye ni
say force them to play nonsense say an ye no you see this same judge ebe can say I was going to phone na me babum in fact yente se osika asem no so Abronye wi a yes a charging woni me nyina abusuya asamba ba me no ka say there presiding judge outna Abronye asem no so e nsem bi aba beto no chemu say social media is of late polluted with insult which does not help. Ghanaians should come together to fight politics of insult from our country. Samuel Bright Aqua presiding judge outna ya Abronye asem so this ansem we no atoja na de oka nyina nse nansem mu no social media na yawo sa no atem didie age so afa kyesanya de kotwa na wasaka na nyina na etimi babom na etimi ehwekwa kwaso ebetimi yi politics of insult e de free oman mu asem yo kan no e asem asem papa wasaka na nyina na eti na ye na emom na question bisa ne say since when and I realize it say social media has been polluted with insult say see no hu ye and I say from 2017 to 2025 MPP aban no e free so no na ohun na ohun a ana na sa no went to one among is an say no turn the phone na okoseche Kevin Taylor insulting Ashanti Hene ebe yaba Kevin Taylor insulting Oche Hene ebe yaba Kevin Taylor insulting Francis Ewes Gans every tribe in this country Kevin Taylor do matem odi onkonko seche keke ebe yaba impenyefo say charity begins at home and say wo person you be man ye the kind make sure say nipa o ma sa de ne be ya de be normal no sa nipa ne betu ne fo Kevin Taylor na ma ne nkola ni nyina fa fo no mo kasa ansem ne bi isa so mu no ne say oba yo be nyina echi no oba ye no mu judges na ansa so tena Supreme Court wo e ma wa want da no sisan ka oba ga na ye nche no mo kwa hye ye and so na fo ne hu ne say mo na mo so ne so but me dey fe na make no policies of insult enya de papa wo say you free system ne mom no se be ye ya mo ni kan e make just Kevin Taylor be jai sa ne ma na wo ye no se na be ankara no so no e be ti midin I dey promise the blogger. That was a presiding judge outna Abronye asem no so Samuel Bright Aqua. Nin some of the two that very day no can say social media no as atem the DNA ade akoso bebre akere se wo hwe se nka Ghana nya beba na ya kan bom na yetimi politics of insult e dey free system na say country ni emu or this asem be to dwa no amanfo be kasa amanfo bufu yan kasa in fact o share judgment o make here in some kan ya amanfo budas na judge 77 peduasa what is he saying because in the judgment no or say Ghana hanum say no even though we are all equal about law na ye nyina ye pe no emu ye nipa sin bi tio or say even though say emra no we are all the same, we are all equal in the face of the law no ebimu esini bi. These are the reasons that we so a one ma Abronye be o kirem say nipa na a 75 ne ho no the Inspector General of Police of Ghana. Even though we are all equal eba emra ne ho na emu ye nipa sin bi. These are the reasons I would now so one farmer Abronye beola na Abronye lawyers no pediama no. Even though endra I tell say I ma Abronye bill 50,000 no matimi meet be conditions awako fie agisia no owo fie. So after this it raised a lot of concern on the media space. People were talking about it, asking questions, say I didn't know judge ni otena sa asem no so no be make this statement. And I'm some Ghana Bar Association pen for kokoye meeting na Ghana Bar Association president said to just say judge no nsem ogina so the judge case no very unprofessional, very bad na or set this precedent no eto no ma ma ye Ghana judiciary no enimonyam no ebeba form we yen bebra happening here during meeting omokoye Ghana Bar Association meeting omokoye. And I'm so my end no ka say the jet in the Arab to abonten say e kura maka and so me we or retire abana retire time no nyanso ye no he has been forced to play Nancy's and unti no or retire abra the retirement time and so ye me say we a judge ni na o tran of my politicians e de wadwe di agra say any be wie wo e bia me kan no ni life as a judge no obo adwuma never be but with this thing that happened, you know, about saying the career, about saying the career, and a very, very bad thing that has happened to a presiding judge or assembly. So, a year justice, a year Samuel Bright Aqua. I know it's going to be a lesson to the other judges, among sono omoba, back cases, send your embassy and make your judgment. Any reasons on be now to be deny amount for bail and all those stuffs. Though we are all not lawyers, but when a lawyer is saying something, when a judge is saying something, you know so what the person is saying, you know, it doesn't hold enough water. It doesn't actually make sense because you say someone is someone than someone. And money panning builder. This is how it ends. This is how it ends. And this is what happened, and this is the current update. I can you bet me I confirm the amount say the reason why it's here judge a year justice a year Samuel Bright Aqua presiding judge or Abronye assembly so no when I say the news I have an interest or retire and I say or retire with the immediate effects like I say if you know on a year appeal court judge biom way I update I the bill I work on TV so and the area me am no medin komo medin Eddie Pros.